नहीं मेरा एक ही है and I'm live. Quickly check. Hello, hello. Are we live, my friends? Hello, hello. ऑडियो देख लो एक बार. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. ऑडियो सही आ रही है? Hello, hello. Are we live? Can someone corroborate? एक second. Let me check if my audio is fine enough. Or is no. Let me see. अब देखो एक बार बढ़ाई मैंने. दोस्तों, it's a new setup. Again, we have been struggling for this setup for some time in Bangalore since I've moved in Bangalore. So yeah. Anyhow, let me. So welcome back to another stream. स्वागत है आप सभी का. राधे राधे. Where we are building ROI Monk, our side project. It's basically an app where user can get insight on his investments, right? Returns on his investments, and we have been building our create new page. तू भी कर लेना. Coming back to, we have been creating this page जहाँ पे user can come. So create new page, basically user comes here and he can create a new what you call this investment portfolio. And let me quickly close this and this, and plus button पे click करके he can put in details, although it is not complete yet. But the thing is, I was wandering around. I was checking around what is the progress of the project. So I just came around this our dashboard page where, as you can see, we have these options in the left panel, right? This is the first thing, which is not, they are not properly in center, right? Even if I open this, I believe they can be in when it's open, they are in good position, but when it is closed, they are not in proper position. So we have to fix this, right? Secondly, if you come here, you can see this. Here will be all the investments and all, right? So it should be something like this, but ye ekdam ulta hai. So this is the second thing. And third thing is not a bug or something, it's more about doing it properly. So basically, here user is able to see the pictorial, basically graphical representation of his investments and portfolios comparison, basically. And below we have table, which this was bugging me, basically, right? So what we are gonna do is, we are gonna take this table out, and we are gonna give user an option to either see a graphical representation or a tabular summary, right? So these are the three primary tasks for today, right? So let's quickly start without wasting any time. And yeah, Baki, this everything is pretty cool. I believe recent my top 5 here user will be able to see, and these were buttons work absolutely fine, right? So let's quickly start from here, right? So we go to our app protected dashboard, and this is the page, correct? Okay, so this is where you're gonna fix the things. So data table component, charts, summary cards. Okay, so I believe this is in the layout. So site navbar is the place, right? Let's quickly jump and let's go down support and other buttons, right? This is the place where we have to fix this. Yes. So I believe if I do a background at 500, 500, so I should be able to see some difference in it, but I'm not. Why? Right. So we are able to see the difference, right? So I believe this is not very big of a task. All I have to do is uh, copy this, not this actually. I should be using flex no, yep, sorry, flex call and items center, but this should only be done when it is open. Oh, sorry, it is closed. So right, if we this is fixed, but if we open this also looks fine to me, right? So let me quickly just open it. See, it looks great, at least to me. So we have fixed our first bug, or whatever you want to call it, right? So let's quickly just comment and push it so that we don't lose any progress, right? Great thing about Git. Bug fix, site nav bar support buttons alignment bug fix, and delete, save, close. Cool. And the second thing is this search button, right? It is not as great, right? And एक और चीज just clicked me, the scroll bar. तो scroll bar को भी हम CSS बदलेंगे आज, and I believe I have a good go for that, but we'll do keep it for the last. So what we were gonna do was dashboard header, I believe would be the right place. Yes, dashboard header is the right place. And overview header, search option. Yes, the search option is the place where we are gonna fix the CSS. Correct? Correct. Now for that, we are gonna need to open developer tools, toggle this, close this. Yes, we have to look for this as well in near future. तो अभी we'll have to search for, yes, correct, found it. बट मैं अभी इसको वो कैसे रखूं? Let's see, active, focus within, target, oops. No change, then I can just put quickly something, right? Maybe show, and then it should stay open, I believe. नहीं यार, okay, we'll start from here. तो की जगह पे तकदीर तुम हो, तकदीर तुम हो, बेदखियों के हम के होता Okay, so this is not working, so we'll have to go MUI library. So those are the people on documentation which can help us, right? So let's see how to make it open. Hey, wait a minute, if I'm not wrong, it should be controlled, right? Sure. ये बातों की जगह पे तकदीर, तो disable portal. इसमें क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज दे रखी हैं हमने? वैल्यू ऑन चेंज, इनपुट वैल्यू ऑन इनपुट चेंज, blur on select, okay, auto highlight, options, get options, render input. So it seems like कंट्रोल्ड स्टेटमेंट बट इसमें ओपन नहीं है. That was cool actually. So if that is not working, what we can do is nothing actually. We'll have to do something from here itself only. This is the thing, right? So we need to use this class. Let's see, Ray. There has to be a way. Quickly refresh, clear all the clutter from here, and then we'll see. There has to be a way. Right. So this is a div, right? Okay. So that is not possible. I was thinking कि area property को करके कुछ तो, but MUI autocomplete hyphen popper would be the class name. So the way we are doing this, we'll do something similar. Right, यहाँ पे we will do this. And what was the class again? MUI autocomplete and popper. MUI autocomplete. Wait. Custom. Cool. Believe that is the closest I can be in one attempt. Cool. I know about this, so I'm just gonna comment it for a minute, and I'm gonna write background color red, and I'm just gonna quickly see if that changed anything at all. Right. दुखिया कहाँ तुम ले तो खुदा. Let's see. Nope, it did not. कंप्लीट में ही जाना पड़ेगा यार. कंपोनेंट क्या लगता है दोस्तों? Will this work? Meanwhile, we can scroll a little. Cool, so this works. अरे यार, right. And for some reason I'm not able to see. हाँ, तो जाओ एक काम करते हैं, यहीं पे देख लेते हैं. Okay, does not work. Okay, so this should be the ideal thing to pick, and for that we want to take autocomplete paper. This CSS, this is the one where they are doing, but what I can do is I can just quickly take this and send it here, put it here, I mean, and I'm just gonna put blue so that ideally this should work, but let's see. Ideally this should work. But okay, that did not work. Cool. We'll deep dive into why it did not work. Because if I'm putting something here, so for that, I believe I just saw something. Proper component. The body of the pop-up. Paper component element P. CSS classes. These are for styling them. फुल विड्थ बताओ उस दिन जब हम लास्ट टाइम व्हेन वी वर यू नो last time when we were trying to you know do this change the CSS of this, had this come up that day, would have been so easy, no? But anyhow, this is still not working. I don't understand why. I don't understand you, bro. Why are you making my life hard? Let's see if I do this. Let's see if this works. Else I'll have to do something else. Come on, show me something. Show me something which I wanna see. Okay. You won't. If you will not, then I am gonna do something harsh on you. And this is an element type, right? So element type was one more. Let's see. Render input. No. तथा vendor input in छड़ी मुझे यारी तेरी ऐसी जैसे दारू हो देसी खट्टी मिट्टी पाते हैं नशे सी जैसे दारू हो देसी okay somehow that but anyhow if that is the case error we have error no problem and is the school कहाँ था LMNOP paper component or maybe if it is not taking if it is saying string hey it worked great job friends it worked so at least अपना कलर फिक्स हो गया राइट Now what we have to do is uh, uh, what we have to do is we'll have to render the things inside. Well, unknown dude, let me just refresh. लागे सूखे हुए बागों में बसंत तुम हो, तेरी भक्ति से आत्मा को मिलता हूँ। ये ठीक है, ये दोनों इसको रहने देंगे. And if I am not wrong, it should accept something called as props. And let me delete it. And how can I want to put props. I want to spread props basically. And no such thing as this, and just this. I'm sure there has to be a better way to do it, but I mean, what can we do? If this works, my camera is gone. It's back. So definitely something I messed up again. Let me just quickly close all of this, refresh it once more. So I believe this should fix it. And let me give a ID as well. Some ID. Oh, it worked. Great. Then why was it? Acha, because of how the CSS is being handled. Correct. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. लागे सूखे हुए बागों में बसंत तुम हो. Cool. Makes sense. Makes sense. Right. Makes sense. So we are gonna remove this, and now we are gonna go to save this. Let's quickly save this. Go to our monk page, dashboard basically. It is very slow, यार. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, so we'll start from here. Do we have a background color? No. Oh dude, it just got fucked up. Okay, it might be because now if I go to PG background, I should be able to see. Now that is HSL 000. Oh, sorry, HSL 00 100%, right? नहीं यार, फिर इसमें कुछ तो गलत है. Something is definitely wrong. Something is definitely wrong. See, it is pointing towards white. What can I do instead? You see, foreground, for foreground it is showing this. So if I'm not wrong, that is calendar, right? And hence, so I can go to components URE and go to calendar, and I believe I have done something like dark. No, no, is that not true? If that is not true, then back PG hyphen PG transparent. पर यार ये होवर वाले भी कलर्स देखने पड़ेंगे ना भाई. कैलेंडर नहीं है तो क्या है फिर? Okay, in that case, यार वही ना बीजी बैकग्राउंड. अच्छा डार्क, वही ना डार्क दिया तो है. That's what I was saying. No, Suri. That is what I was saying. Hmm. See. Okay. Anyhow, anyhow, let's go to global CSS. So this is the value. Now I have to convert this to this and this. I'll close this. I'll close this. I'll come here. Background color में we'll go RGB. तेरी भक्ति से आत्मा को मिला आना. I don't mind, bro. I'll do it myself. Maybe I can just use HSL, right? मेरा camera क्या हो गया? हाँ. So coming back here, HSL, right? How to use HSL? तो ये ऐसे कर देंगे, इसे ऐसे कर देंगे, इसे कर देंगे कलर. HSL. Let's see. Hopefully this should work. Okay, cool. It is working, and I just need के hover वाली चीज़, right? तो hover वाली चीज़ के लिए go back to क्या हो रहा है? कैमरा क्यों नहीं चल रहा है बार बार में? कैमरा को क्या हो रहा है? And no friends, I believe today my setup is not happy with me. Anyhow, where were we? We were at globals.css. I believe, and okay, we can go back to calendar. Day range, day selected, day today. कहाँ है भाई? Hover भी तो था. ठीक है, BG primary. Okay, BG primary. Right. Cool. In fact, let me just इसमें होवर कैसे देंगे हम? इसमें होवर कैसे देंगे? अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है, कैमरा क्यों नहीं चल रहा? हाँ, how to give over. Something like this should work, should not. I don't know, but we can see it, right? If I do this and I do color to quick red just to see if it is working as per the expectations. महाबली महासंत तुम हो, उन्हें भक्तों की जगाते कबीर तुम हो, की जगह तकदीर तुम हो, दुखिया कहाँ तुम रहते हो. So this is definitely not working. That is not working. So time बहुत waste हो गया आज. For some reason PC is not working great. It's hanging a lot. इस वजह से ये सब होने में बहुत कैमरा अलग बीटी दे रहा है. कैमरा क्यों नहीं चल रहा? सेकंड देना. चल, coming back. So we were supposed to do a lot, but this only took a lot of time. UI library sometimes gets tricky to work with, and today is one of the day. Hmm. This should work, yeah. Okay. Yeah, देखो ऐसा इसमें object आया, but that is not cool. Uh, See, this is a div and not wo of what you call this guy, material UI की नहीं है, इसलिए that won't work. One of them should work. One of them should work. Accident अपना दोस्तों. क्या मैंने चुना और क्या हुआ? दोस्तों एक काम करते हैं, आज की स्ट्रीम को यहीं तक रखते हैं. We'll figure this out later. Maybe I'll do something about it for sure. Right. आप लोगों का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करता हूँ बिकॉज इट्स लाइक वही छोटा सा ही कुछ इशू है करके. I'll have to just figure out how it will work, right? So we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Wait. So tomorrow what we are gonna do is जो अभी मैं issue we discussed, right? कि either graphical representation or the tabular graph representation, we'll fix that, right? And then there's one more issue जो अभी आया था दिमाग में but I totally forgot what was that. The fourth one, right? I'm not able to remember what was it. कुछ तो था ना जो हमने सोचा था कि बाद में करेंगे फिक्स. Anyhow, whatever that was, we'll look into it. Again आ जाएगा दिमाग में कोई. हाँ, the scroll bar thing आ गया दिमाग में देखा. So we'll do that later tomorrow, and from day after tomorrow probably, hopefully, I mean I'm pretty sure we'll be continuing this page, our new investment page, and we'll try to complete this page day after tomorrow for sure. That's our target. बाकी मिलते हैं आपसे कल. ठीक है, चलो दोस्तों, राधे राधे.